Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here is Mark's hair off of his head, literally. So I wanted to show you how we created a full wig from his own hair. He came with clean, dried hair, so make sure that's a thing. And then we had a consultation to see how much hair he wanted to leave on his head. He has been growing out his hair for around 3 years now. So we really came up with this haircut. We wanted to keep as much hair for the wig as possible. I'm showing him the lace that his wig will be made out of. Of course, you have to show your client what they're going to be getting. So I did that. And now we are doing small ponytails across the whole head. They are about 2 to 2.5 inches wide, all the way around the head. This does take a little bit of time. Make sure your sectionings are clean. And what we really want to do is the tooth part, where we want to keep some hair on the head for the client to have a nice haircut. Oh, and we want to have enough hair that we can keep the length for the wig as well as have a turnaround. Because our turnaround, it depends on how big you make your turnarounds. So he has a ton of hair. As you can see, I am talking too much as always with my clients, and I forget that I'm recording. Just have coffee, always. I think I will turn him around so you can see the back and see the sectioning, but maybe not. So these are small ponytails all around the head. So when I cut them off, I put them on another wig block that is the exact, like in the exact same spot. So the hair that we're harvesting, we can put them back where they are so we can get the most natural look. With this wig, he wanted a little bit more of a softer hairline than his own personal hairline. So when I create the bubble, you'll see how I have created a new hairline for him, basically. That's a little bit thicker. There's not all the breakage parts of his own hair that we have harvested has been taken out. So that is where we're at, and I'm gonna let you watch a little bit. Oh yeah, the scissors are out, so here we go. I like to cut and give just enough length for the haircut that we decided. And he's going to be going down to basically a skin fade. And his hair grows really fast and it's really healthy, as you can see. So it's been just a chop it all off type of day. It's really rejuvenating to cut all your hair off. And as you can see, we are having a good time doing it too. I did not turn him around so you could see. Oh, there we go. Just so you can see that I am going as close to the ponytail, and that's all his harvested hair on a block where it needs to be. Here is the first part of the foundation that I created. So this is the thicker foundation lace that I use. It is fully custom made from the top all the way down. There is the bubble that I have created for him. You can see the black line is his actual hairline, and then the red is where I'm going to put the front lace and the swirl in the back. As you can see, I can get the directions going around. I have my center marking, the back nape. I do like just to fold over the edge. And then as you can see in the front here is the pink is where I have made a new hairline for him. And now I have laid my front lace and I started ventilating. So it is a little tedious task. So I have some filler knots in the back on my foundation lace and around the ear here, it's upside down. And then I have some single hairs on top for the top hairline so that it really works nice. And then that's the finished project. And now we're putting it on. So because he has short hair, as you can see, he has his short hair. So this is the first try on, and last because it fit perfectly. And it's just getting it in the right spot and cutting off the lace. As you can see, I keep the lace really long for my clients first, so I can see where I want to cut, if I need to add anything. And as you can see, I softened the hairline. I gave him a little bit fuller hairline than he had before. And now I'm going to go around. I'm going to trim the lace all the way around. So this is just the first one so that we can actually have a mirror-to-mirror conversation so we can really get it going. The beauty band prep is what I suggest for short hair preps. It is a mesh that has some like PVC on it, some sticky PVC, so it kind of grips to the hair. And then that is really it. And here it is, all cut, on, ready to go. Oh, and that was Phoebe. Woo, Phoebe. And the first time looking in the mirror, oh, he almost cried. It's back. Aw, Mark. And now we are going to use some bold hold wig tape. And here's a great little spot where you can see that it is matching his hairline perfectly. So that's his hair. And there is his hairline. Boom. And see how the lace literally just melts into his skin. And here's another little trick that I like to do, especially for someone who's not going to be using a ton of glue on it. This is a drop of alcohol. As you can see, you can just hit it ever so gently so that it picks up some of the oils from the skin and it just blends it right in. So it's a little tip, trick, just for you. And here's Mark in his glory with all of his hair back. I hope you enjoyed this one. There's more pictures on my Insta. Stay tuned.